First we need to remove the wheel cap. Then after we have to loose the castle nut. After the castle nut we need to remove the lock washer. And after lock washer we need to remove the sealant. After removing sealant, we need to remove the tapered roller bearing by just adjusting the aircraft wheel. Now we are removed the tapered roller bearing. After removing, carefully remove the aircraft wheel and remove another tapered roller bearing on the other side, and as well as sealant. After thoroughly greasing the two tapered roller bearings, reinstall it again. First sealant, then tapered roller bearing. Then after, install the aircraft wheel. While reinstalling, align the aircraft wheel properly. After proper alignment, mount the tapered roller bearing. Ensure that the tapered roller bearing is properly greased. Then after sealant, the sealant should be fully flushed with the bearing. Then after key washer, then castle nut. There may be certain torque values for a castle nut. We need to refer the maintenance manual. After setting of torque value in the torque wrench, tighten the castle nut. Tight until the desired torque is reached. After tightening, install the wheel cup. That's it. Thank you.